Constitution of India is a brief introductory statement that encapsulates the guiding purpose, principles, and philosophy of the Constitution. It serves as a succinct summary of the Constitution's spirit and declares the sources of its authority, the people of India. Let's see some key facts about the Preamble. It was adopted on 26 November 1949 by the Constituent Assembly of India and came into effect on 26 January 1950, which is celebrated as the Republic Day. The Preamble is based on the objective resolution moved by Jawaharlal Nehru in 1946 and reflects the vision laid out therein. The Preamble declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and aims to secure to all its citizens justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. The Preamble is a part of the Constitution and was emphasized as such in the landmark Keshavananda Bharati case. It has been amended once during the Indian emergency when the words socialist, secular and integrity were added. The text of the Preamble reads, "We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution." This is what actually the text of the Preamble. The Preamble is often cited as reflecting the core values that the Constitution of India aims to uphold and promote among its citizens. It is an integral part of the Constitution and sets the stage for its provisions. Let's see the advantages. The Preamble serves as a guiding light for the entire Constitution. It outlines the fundamental goals and principles that the Constitution aims to achieve. It explicitly states that the people of India are the ultimate source of authority for the Constitution. This reinforces democratic principles. The Preamble declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. These values are foundational to the Indian state. It emphasizes the commitment to provide justice, liberty, equality and promote fraternity among citizens. The Preamble seeks to maintain the integrity of the Indian Republic's territory and its territorial rights. Legal experts often refer to the Preamble as the identity part of the Constitution, highlighting its significance. What are the challenges? While the Preamble can be amended, its basic structure cannot be altered. The addition of terms like secularism, socialism and integrity by the 42nd Amendment reflects this balance. Different interpretations of the Preamble's values can lead to debates and legal challenges. Some argue that the Preamble could be more explicit in addressing the rights and aspirations of marginalized groups. Although it sets the tone, the Preamble itself does not create legally enforceable rights. Its principles are elaborated upon in subsequent articles of the Constitution. In a nutshell, the Preamble plays a crucial role in defining India's constitutional identity, but its impact extends beyond mere words. It shapes the spirit of the entire Constitution and guides the nation's journey towards justice, liberty and equality. Let's see the steps taken after the adoption of the Preamble of the Constitution of India. The Preamble declares that the source of authority for the Constitution lies with the people of India. This emphasizes the democratic foundation of the Indian state. The Preamble describes India as a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. Sovereign, it means India has its own independent authority and is not subjected to control by any external power. Socialist includes the Constitution aims to achieve socialist ends through democratic means, promoting a mixed economy where both private and public sectors coexist. Secular means all religions receive equal respect, protection and support from the state. Democratic means the Constitution derives its authority from the will of the people expressed through elections. Republic includes the head of the state, who is the President of India, is elected by the people. The preamble outlines the objectives of the Constitution that includes justice, ensuring social, economic and political justice, liberty, upholding freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith, worship and action, equality, providing equal status and opportunities to all citizens, fraternity, promoting unity and dignity while maintaining the integrity of the nation. The preamble was adopted on November 26, 1949 by the Constituent Assembly of India. The ideas behind the preamble were laid down by Jawaharlal Nehru's Objectives Resolution, adopted by the Constituent Assembly on January 22, 1947. Although not enforceable in court, the preamble aids in interpreting ambiguous language in other articles of the Constitution. The preamble serves as a beacon reflecting the core values and principles that guide India's constitutional journey towards justice, liberty, and equality. What will be the way forward? The preamble remains relevant and dynamic, adapting to the evolving needs and challenges of the society. It acts as a source of inspiration for constitutional amendments, reforms, and progressive interpretations. While the preamble can be amended, it has only been done once through the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. The addition of the words socialist and secular reflects the changing socio-political landscape. The recent discussions in the Supreme Court about the possibility of amending the preamble without altering its adoption date highlight the need for thoughtful deliberation. The court seeks to examine whether the words socialist and secular could have been inserted while keeping the original adoption date intact. The preamble of the Indian Constitution serves as a beacon encapsulating the guiding principles and aspirations of the nation. Its adoption on November 26, 1949 marked a historic moment when the people of India resolved to constitute themselves into a sovereign democratic republic. As we move forward, let us continue to uphold the values enshrined in the preamble and work towards a just, equal, and united India.